Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love, love reading for all the Capis, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 25th of August till the 31st of August. Okay, roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. The mutual energy for the connection right now at this present moment for Capricorn people is we have the Ace of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. Wow, there's a lot of love from both the sides in the situation. It's like a lot of love overflowing from both the directions. One of you is maybe very expressive, the other person is kind of like a closed book, but both of you can feel the connection in a very very beautiful and positive way. Okay, I'm not saying that one of you is emotionally unstable or something. One of you may be very expressive, sometimes a little bit all over the place, but there's a lot of love overflowing. At the same time, a little bit of anxious energy of what's going to happen next. There's a stagnant energy between you guys right now, even if the connection is full of love, full of respect, and full of this energy of okay, we got each other's back and we are going to be there for the rest of our lives kind of thing. There's some kind of either physical distance between you guys physical distance between you guys that's making things a little bit difficult for you to deal with, and or there is some kind of feeling detached kind of energy. Even if there's a lot of love, there is a detachment kind of energy in the situation right now. Maybe you took a break deliberately from each other to heal your own individual lives, or the universe is kind of forcing you to heal the situation in a different kind of way. Sometimes different kind of ways is like okay, putting physical distance in the situation so that you guys can understand each other's value, and or putting some kind of situation in the connection that you guys have to reflect to how to handle the situation more beautifully and positively. So the connection is full of love, but there is some kind of distance kind of energy, detachment kind of energy. Maybe you guys are not talking much, or there is lack of communication right now. And this is not coming out of any misunderstanding or something, but this is like a deliberate kind of thing for most of you. This taking a break or detaching or maybe healing individually. Might be this might be the reason that one of you is very expressive or kind of all over the place and very much you know in this vulnerable kind of energy. The other person is more on the stable, softer, and sorted kind of energies. So maybe the other one who is overwhelmed or kind of overflowing is trying to catch up with these energies. Okay, but this is a connection that's full of love from both the sides, and there's lot of potential in the situation to become something really meaningful and beautiful. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Mm-hmm. Cappies. Mm-hmm. We have the magician. There is some kind of manifestation going on from this person's side in this situation. They're trying to manifest something here. Let's clarify what this is, what this could be. Let's see. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the King of Cups. Wow, this person is feeling like they should manifest this energy of hiding their pain from you. Might be this person is going through some kind of financial losses or other kind of losses in their life, and or this person is feeling left out in the cold by you in the situation, but they're manifesting this courage and strength of keeping it together. So there is something that they're going on. Maybe it's not directly related to you, but there is some kind of losses or some kind of feeling left out in the cold kind of energies going on. in their energy field right now, and they feel like manifesting the energy of pretending everything is fine. This person is trying to hide their pain from you. There is something going on, or there is something that happened long time ago, maybe, who knows, but the scar is still there, and they feel like they should not reveal it to you or say anything about it to you, because it's going to ruin the situation somehow. And they feel like coming forward towards you with all of the love and with a stable and mature kind of demeanor, like, okay, I'm fine, I'm good, see, everything is fine. But they are struggling with something. Yeah. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Hierophant. So from your side, you feel like a very spiritual kind of bond between you guys. I have to clarify this before saying anything more about it. It's giving me a lot of things. Um, Spiritual connection, background, belief system. Let's see. Traditional energies. We have the Five of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles, the Emperor. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So there's a lot of conflict going on inside of you, Capricorn, regarding this situation, and you feel like you should just wait and watch for the situation to somehow work out in your favor. You feel like just taking the charge of the situation in your own hands and making it happen, making this commitment, long term partnership, or something like that to happen in this situation. Even if there are lots of differences, there are lots of issues in the situation, you feel like somehow things are going to work out. You are keeping a very stable kind of calm kind of energy inside out, and you feel like with time everything is going to be fine. You guys will be able to come out of this conflict. There might be cultural background issues, traditional issues, religious issues in the situation that you guys need to sort out in order to be together, or in order to make something work out in a beautiful and positive way. There are some kind of major differences here that you feel is going to be sorted with time, and you feel like you can do it and you can make something happen in a beautiful and positive way. This is what you are up to. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? Devil, this is your card only. When the devil card comes in your readings, I don't bother too much about it, but you never know. Let's clarify the devil. This person doesn't want to let you go. That's very prominent energy here. They don't want to let you go, even if there are lots of issues going on in the situation. Told ya. We have the Two of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the Strength card. Hmm. To stabilize the connection somehow. This is on and off, in and out. Maybe juggling between two people, two situations, two connection, two things. Maybe juggling between their family and you, and or you may be juggling with other people, other situation, and this person too. So they want to stabilize the connection somehow with love. They want to make this shit happen between you and them, Capricorn. And they know this is the hardest thing for them to do in this lifetime, but they want to make it work out. You also want to make it work out, but both of you have a very different kind of energy to make this happen. This person don't want to do much about it. They don't want to take like much of actions from their side. They just want to let it happen naturally and organically. And you might be having an action plan to do something about this situation in order to make this shit happen, yeah, in a beautiful way. Okay, who is the real OG then? Who is the OG? I don't know. I don't understand Gen Z terms, I'm sorry about it. Anyways, so this person wants to stabilize this connection with love, with strength, and with courage, and they want to make this happen in a beautiful, positive, and very, very loving and compassionate kind of way, right? Whether it's a choice between you and somebody else, whether you have to choose between them and somebody else, and whether it's a choice between their family and you. whatever the case may be. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? What's going on? Temperance, you want to take things very, very slow. Slow and steady wins the race, kind of a thing. You don't want to lose your temper, or you don't want to be hyper. You don't want to be in this energy of let's fix this quickly. So it's like basically you want to give it a very beautiful shot with patience, with time. You want to take your time. Okay, let me clarify this, Temperance. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Six of Wands in reverse, the World card. Yeah, you want to bring it back together, like this collaboration, this partnership is very, very important for you. But you want to remove all the blockages from the situation, like whatever the blockages are that's stopping this connection to be successful and victorious. You want to put an end to those blockages slowly but surely, and you know it's going to take time. It's not going to happen overnight. So basically you are the action taker here. Even if you are slow and gentle, the other person is just waiting very, very patiently all the love and compassion in their heart for this situation to somehow work out and evolve in a very beautiful and positive way. Wow, both of you are working like going towards the same goal but in a very different way, somehow very different but similar. This is very difficult to explain. Might be you can explain me in the comment section or something, right? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 31st of August, Cappies. Seven of Wands. Okay, right now it's like being defensive kind of energy or trying to take a stand for yourself. Let me see. ये थोड़ा थोड़ा प्यार हो तुमसे. We have the Ace of Wands in reverse, the Ten of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. Okay. It's like either complete silence in the situation right now. There's lack of having a brand new beginning. This is not happening right now. Guards up. It's a complete shutdown in the outcome. I don't know what to say about it. This is a complete shutdown. Nobody is doing shit about the situation, but both of you are willing to work on the situation. So it's like I don't want to say this, but I don't see anything in the outcome like an outcome. It's like complete shutdown of energies, at least. Even if you guys are living in the same house, I don't see anything happening. In fact, it's going to shut down a little more than it is already. I'm telling you, this person is taking their sweet time. The other person is just waiting for the right time. The action taker is going to take their time in order to take the action. The other person is just waiting for the other person to do something about it. And it's like energetically, you both are very beautiful, like a very beautiful match. And love is like overflowing in this situation from both the sides. Hmm? But nothing in the physical world, nothing is happening. In fact, it might seem like both of you are not even interested in connecting with each other. This is a very contradictory reading today. Energetically, it's super, super, super beautiful. Physically, nothing. Just nothing. I don't have anything more to say about it. It's a weird outcome that I have seen after a very long time. For you, the guidance here is the Three of Cups. I think if both of you have the same goal, and if both of you have so much love for each other, I think you should just maybe remain connected as friends only, or maybe enjoy the connection while going through this journey or through this chapter. You guys don't have to like split apart like this, like I don't care about you, I don't care about you, even if there's a lot of love. And if like the circumstances are such that you guys can't be together or can't be friends only, then of course you guys should take your time. But give your time, efforts, and energy into something that makes you happy. Maybe like apart from this situation that makes you really happy, maybe volunteering, maybe spending time with family or pets, or spending time with your friends. This is just the phase of your life, just a chapter of your life, Capricorn. This is not your whole life. So make time for yourself, make time for people who really loves you, and do something that really makes you happy apart from this situation. That will help you. Let's see, let's clarify. Sorry, we already clarified. Let's see one more card to close this reading from the Romance Angel Oracle cards. One more message for you guys. The final message. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy. Maybe it's not about an ex. The time has come to release your clear your energy properly so that you can make room for something new, something good. Okay, so clear your energies properly. You're already doing that. It's just a gentle reminder, I guess. But the outcome is telling me, don't you guys don't have to be so hard on yourself and on the situation, especially if both of you are Capricorn. Don't do that. It's like a tug of war, nothing, and both of you are in love, so don't ruin it, I think. For others also, don't make this situation look like this is very hard and this is a tug of war. If both of you are in love and both of you want to make this work out, try to come on the same page, I guess. Yeah, otherwise nothing good is going to come out. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.